one of the activities that I ask you to do this semester is to go on a retreat, either one of the seminary-sponsored retreats or a personal retreat. And what I mean by retreat is not what often is thought of in terms of corporate retreats or even sometimes church retreats. I know when I was a kid we had youth retreats and they were lots of fun, but they were utterly exhausting. What I'm interested in here is having you experience what's kind of a classical Christian retreat, which means that you get away from your normal routines and often the normal place where you are, and go somewhere else that's hopefully a place of beauty, if you can manage that, or quiet, safety, and spend a few hours with the Lord without you having an agenda, but other than to set aside time to be in God's presence, to rest in the love that God has for you, and just to kind of allow your body, your soul, your spirit, every part of you to rest so that you can re-engage the rest of the semester from a place of perhaps fresh perspective and just physical and spiritual rest. There's a video on the seminary intranet that talks about retreat if you haven't done something like this before. There are some great materials available. I can give you some guidance if you need it. But the basic idea is not so much to have an agenda other than to plan to step out of your normal routines and be able to focus your attention on God without interruption for at least 4 to 6 hours. Longer if you can manage it, but at least 4 to 6 hours. And then part of the assignment will be after your retreat to write a brief reflection in which you will describe for me what you did, how you planned your retreat, what you did to kind of carve out that time, and what the retreat was like for you. Most people find it restful. Sometimes, it can be a challenge for folks if they've never done anything like this. And so whatever your retreat experience is, you'll have a chance to reflect on that with a brief reflection paper. God bless you in your planning and in your practice of retreat. And I'll be praying for you that it will be a time of refreshing and rest for you.